yokuthi uNandipha ushade noThabo angiyazi. uNandipha bengiqala ukumbona. uNandipha uvela uThabo makasakashonile kuthiwa uNandipha umfazi kaThabo futhi unabantwana abayithuna. Mina ngithi why all the time bengingavelanga angikhulumi kabi. And then bese uThabo ke uNandipha bese ngithi kuyena angifonele ngithi phoyisa lemtrace lemfoni angifonele athi kimi mama ngizoza lapha ngizokutshela le ndaba kuqala uze kayi-1 wafika wangitshela ukuthi bona noThabo bashada abaqeda ukushada baba nabantwana abayi-2 yena labantwana laba bala ekhaya.
Okay.
Iyabiphelele lapho.
And then you found out that she wants to cremate the body, but you were against that.
No, angeke ngivume ngumama nawe ngeke uvume ukuthi umntana kafihle umuntu ongamazi mara uyazi ukuthi umntana anyway yaphila. Uyabona into iqale lapho ukuthi ungavuma kanjani ukuthi umntana noma bathi udophiwe noma kunye uphelele estradini you got makafile uzomdopa lapha umise emoshari yakho umfihle. That is problem. And then na hakina anything to do with this. Untata ba ka fela ne ke ipetela setopo sa ngwanaka jwale nna ke tlamele ke blowe ka baka la setopo sa ngwanaka.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Thabo Bester's mother Maria Mabaso has broken the ice and spoke for the first time since the news that the son she thought had died is reported to be very much alive and has escaped a prison, you guys. Maria said that she had never known of Nandipha Magudumana until Thabo Bester's fake death. She said that she learned or was made to believe that Nandipha Magudumana was married to Thabo Bester and that they had 2 children together. She said that Nandipha was the one who told her that she has kids and is married to Thabo, you guys. She said that Nandipha Magudumana wanted to cremate Thabo's body, but she refused because she didn't want a stranger burying what she thought was her own son while she is still very much alive, you guys. Now, please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll definitely see you in the next upload. Bye.